In this video, I will show you how to change your vrchat email address. So friends, go to Google, search for vrchat. This is the keyword as you can see here. And then go to the setting. After that, you will see your email address. To change your email address, just click change this email option. As you can see here, friends, write to change your email, enter your email address, your privacy email address, friends. After writing your privacy email address, confirm your email address here, and then write your current password. After that, click change email address. So friends, enter your right password on this case. After write your password, friends, as I said, write your unique password and then click change your email address. And this is how you can do. Write your email address and then click click on change your email. So friends, follow me on the steps. After change this email and then write your new email address, for example this one, and then confirm your new email here. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.